for 8 to 12 inches of snow here at Dulles Airport. We're ready to rock and roll.
Day 2, almost reaching that 24-hour mark. Good amount of snow down on the ground, and everybody's doing great.
I'm here with Top Dog. We're here waiting for the snow, and then we're here to make sure we move the snow for safety landing for people over here to land safely. So we are here working hard, moving the snow with this weather, but we still have to do it. We're here. Get it go!
Tomorrow during the storm, come on in. You will never see when Top Dog's on the scene.
We're expecting a pretty good storm tonight. Hopefully we get more than expected. That's always good. So we'll see how the night plays out.
I guess about 7 to 8 inches. Probably have to go out and do some salting here tonight with snow drifts with the wind and finish her up.
Got a little problem with the truck, so we're working on it now. It's in the shop, and it's still snowing out here, so I need to get it fixed so I can get out there and push some more snow. I think we'll get got a good mechanic. I think we'll get it working.
So another treat for you guys. The Washington Commanders, my team, our team here in DC, just came in on that plane. Stay tuned, we got some other great video that we might have had to help the Commanders back and celebrate their victory, but in a different way. Terry was the hero today. Top Dog was the hero in the parking lots for the Commanders. Go Commanders.
Todd Dickerson here, everybody. Finishing up Storm Blair. 3 days of fun and exciting times here between the Pentagon, Reagan Airport, Dulles, both landside, airside. Certainly brought some challenges. First real storm of the year, and the depth that we think we had around here at Dulles is about 7 to 8 inches. I haven't heard an official measurement yet, but at this point it really doesn't matter. We took some bumps and bruises, but we ended up getting through it. I had great staff out here. All my guys and girls pitched in and found a way to get it done. So, and of course, don't forget Sander. He was always around driving us crazy like always, but wants to find more work, and I'm sure the phones are ringing, but honestly, I haven't had time to even concentrate on that. So first of all, thank you to all my guys and girls that stood by us and got us through it. Without them, we're nothing. Pretty good first storm for us. Like I said, we had some bumps and bruises, but nothing terrible. With that, we're gearing up for the next storm, which is 24 hours from now, 36 hours from now. Got a few repairs to do. The mechanics are going to be busy for the next day. But other than that, it was a pretty easy storm, and we're always up for the next challenge. So with that said, you know, the only other thing I can think of is to kind of explain what brought on the cowboy hat the last couple days. Due to a great Christmas gift and, you know, being in Houston all the time, we ended up getting some of these, and you know, don't be surprised if you see one around you soon. So thank you for everybody for supporting us, and we'll catch you in a couple days.